Hi, everyone. Let's be honest, preparing for your UK theory test can feel a bit like trying to solve a puzzle while someone watches you. It's a lot to take in, isn't it? Between the hazard perceptions and the hundreds of road signs, it's easy to get into a bit of a muddle. But that's exactly why we built theorytestweb.co.uk. It's your completely free, one-stop resource. Designed to help you pass your test on the very first attempt without spending a penny. Let's take a look around. This is our homepage. We've kept it simple so you can find what you need without a fuss. You've got the highway code, practice tests, and traffic signs all in one spot. We all know that feeling of seeing a road sign and thinking, I'm sure that wasn't in the book. Well, we've made sure everything is in here so you aren't left guessing on test day. In the practice test section, we have 12 full mock exams. If you scroll down, you'll find our guide on the driving license process and some clever strategies to help you study. They say the UK theory test is the only time you'll actually follow every single rule of the road. Once you pass, you'll just be trying to figure out which lane you need at a filter signal. Traffic signs can get you into a bit of a muddle, so we've categorized them to make life easier. Warning signs, motorway markings, bus lanes, we've got the lot. View button, see the full list. View PDF, brilliant for a quick read while you're having a cuppa. Practice now, this lets you test your knowledge specifically on that category. It's easy peasy, once you get the hang of it. Next, we have our rules-based tests. These are brilliant because they follow the highway code, word for word. You can read the rules directly via the read button or download the PDF. Once you've brushed up, hit practice now to make sure the info has really sunk in. No one wants to get into a spot of bother with the examiner because they forgot their stopping distances. Let's try a quick practice run. When you click Start, you'll see the first question. Feedback. If you get it right, it turns green with a tick. If it's red, don't panic. The why. Every answer comes with an explanation. It's like having a tutor sitting right next to you. Helpful features. We've included a timer to keep you on track and a voiceover, if you'd rather listen than read. You can even zoom into the images, handy for those tricky junction questions where you're trying to spot a hidden cyclist. Once you hit Finish Test, you get a full breakdown immediately. You'll see your percentage, how many you got right, and a clear analysis of your performance. It's much better to see a red mark here on our website than it is to see a red light too late during your practical exam. Use these results to see exactly where you need a bit more practice. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. If you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your mates who are also learning, and head over to theorytestweb.co.uk and start practicing for free today. After all, the sooner you pass the theory, the sooner you can get those L plates off the car. Thanks for watching.